Have you ever run into a situation where you need to renew multiple contracts at the same time, but they're all tangled up with existing renewal opportunities and quotes? It can be a real headache. In this video, we'll walk through a step-by-step process to combine multiple contracts into a single renewal opportunity, even when these contracts have renewals associated to them. Let's set the stage. We have an account here with two contracts. One contract is a 12-month term with product A. Another contract is a 10-month term with product B. They are both coterminous, which means they have the same end date, and we want to bring them together. We don't want to have to manage multiple contracts in the next renewal. We want to bring them all together and manage one single renewal. This can be a common use case for a lot of companies as they are either migrating data in and realizing they want to bring contracts together, or contracts that are coterminous need to be brought together based off of how things were sold previously. CPQ makes it easy to renew contracts together. On the contract-related list, you can see a Renew Contracts button. You need to choose the contracts you're wanting to bring and combine. So after selection, you'll click Renew Contracts. It will bring you to a page where you can choose your master contract. This master contract is what is used to create the renewal opportunity and brings over the information from this contract. In this case, I want my master contract to be the 12-month term contract. If I click Renew, I'll be brought a message appears saying that the master has already been co-terminated. We get this message because our contract that we're wanting to be our master contract already has a renewal opportunity and a renewal quote. CPQ does this to help limit duplication of renewals and causing confusion with relationships. So, to help resolve this, the easy way to manage these contracts is to go and decouple them from the renewal opportunities. In this case, we'll go in, we'll uncheck renewal quoted and renewal forecast, and remove the renewal opportunity reference here. We'll also navigate to the renewal opportunity that was previously created. And for simplicity, we'll just remove the renewed contract to remove it from the related list. We'll also navigate to the other contract and do the same. Unchecking renewal forecast, renewal quoted, removing the renewal opportunity link, and navigate into the renewal opportunity itself and removing its link to the renewed contract. Once this has been done, you can navigate back to this renewal screen. Just for a quick refresh, we'll exit out, navigate to the contracts related list, click Renew Contracts, choose our 12-month term for our master contract, and click Renew. You'll see that now CPQ is doing its magic, combining these contracts together. Once it is done loading, you can navigate to your master contract, and you will see now you have a renewal opportunity related to this contract. If we navigate to this renewal opportunity, we have both product A and product B with a renewal quote containing both products. So to recap, we've walked through the steps of combining multiple contracts into a single renewal opportunity, even when those contracts already have existing renewals. This involves unlinking existing opportunities, clearing specific fields, creating the combined opportunity, and then managing the links to ensure clarity. This process can significantly streamline your renewal process, especially when dealing with multiple coterminous contracts. Thank you for listening today, and I hope that you find this helpful.